The Redfield Auction Gallery in Southside, Alabama is holding its first ever spring firearms auction. Hundreds of guns will be auctioned off to the highest bidder. Rifles, pistols, shotguns, collectibles, and more, both new and used. The auction takes place on Saturday, March 9th at high noon with a special preview day on Friday, March 8th from 10 till 5. The Redfield Auction Gallery, 1499 Highway 77 in Southside. Redfield Group Auctions is a fully licensed firearm dealer. Background checks will be performed. Visit RedfieldAuctionGallery.com. Mike Fisher, auction number 1911.